Hey guys, it's Jen and Sienna again, and we're ready to break down another super fun routine. Are you ready? Let's do it. You ready for this one? Here we go.
I'm so exhausted, I needed the energy, needed to pick me up. I'm in your movie, but this is my cinema. I got the power, I'm built to devour. Anyone coming against me, a tower. I don't cave in the pressure. Some of y'all leaving here in the stretcher. Took my time to go and get better. I was reading in the red letters. Ay, hit me with your best shot. I
rock it out, rock it out. All right, that one is fun, yes? You ready to learn it? Okay, let's break it down. First move. All you're gonna do is lift your knee up right and left. Looks like this, right, left. Easy peasy, yes? At the same time, you're gonna push your arms down. Right, left, okay? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now on 5, you're gonna jump up, come down 6. Now you're gonna slide your rib cage, 7, 8. Can you wrap your mind around that? Let's try that slowly together, okay? Feet apart, we're gonna start with the knees. It goes 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you get it? Then you're just gonna repeat it. So you do it twice. Shall we do it twice? Let's show them. Feet apart, here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 2, 3, up, down, shift, shift. You got it? Good. Next part, you're actually gonna stay down here. Now, just the legs, all you're gonna do is you're gonna turn your knee in from your hip, right, left, okay? Now the arms, you can stand up. The arms are gonna pull right elbow back, right, left. Let's put it together. So come down, put your arms out. You ready? Here we go. Right, left, good. From there, you're gonna hop down to a little squat, down, pop up. Now I want you to tilt your body forward a little bit. You're gonna shake your hips right and left, right, left. So let's go over those counts. So we just did this, up, down, shift, shift. So we're down here. You ready? Arms out, it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're gonna do it again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So each piece you do twice. Final part of the routine looks like this. Do it. All you're gonna do is you're gonna hop out, your right toes are up, your left toes are down. Down, then you're gonna just hop center, left, center. Your arms are just up here. Right, center, left, center. Now this part is for you to just do whatever you want. We're gonna rock right and left. So let's try that slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We did it. Let's put it all together. What do you say? Here we go. I'm ready. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, here it comes. Let's do it. Knees up. Up, down, shift. Again. Lift. Stay here. Pull. Down. Hip. Pull. Good. Jump it. Pop it. Or whatever you want to do. Rock it out. How'd you do? Good job. We'll see you next time. Thank you.
I can't pin anything that gets in my way. Been here, done that.